If you find yourself banned from Walmart and wish to appeal the decision, follow these steps to effectively present your case. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding your ban, including the date it occurred, the reason given, and any documentation you received. This information will be crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Review Walmart's policies. Familiarize yourself with Walmart's policies regarding bans and appeals. Understanding their guidelines will help you frame your appeal in accordance with their procedures. Step 3. Write a formal appeal letter. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter addressed to Walmart's corporate office or the specific store manager. Include your personal information, details of the ban, and a respectful request for reconsideration. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal letter via the appropriate channel, whether by mail or email. Ensure that you keep a copy of your submission for your records. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, wait for a reasonable period before following up. If you do not receive a response, contact the store or corporate office to inquire about the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban from Walmart. Remember to remain respectful and patient throughout the process.